Spartan Locke. I have spent enough years with Oni to know the truth. Once this is over, after all I have done, they'll order you to kill us both.
Fire Team Osiris. Over the last 72 hours, 5 colonies have experienced identical events. Massive destruction, Forerunner in origin. And Dr. Catherine Elizabeth Halsey has managed to contact us. She claims to have information on these attacks.
Halsey is currently in Covenant custody on the surface of Kamchatka. Your mission is to insert behind enemy lines, retrieve Halsey, and bring her back to Infinity. Be advised, Dr. Halsey is accompanied by Covenant Supreme Leader Jul 'Mdama. If you have the opportunity...
Understood, Commander.
Good luck, Spartan Locke. Infinity out.
Tracking gear online.
Affirmative. Say, before we make this jump, anybody want to say a few words?
I figure if God can hear how scared I am, so can everyone else. Locke, you buying the first drink when we're done?
You ask, you buy. Fire Team Osiris, the light is green.
Check.
Comms working fine, Locke.
Copy that, Tanaka. Spartan Buck online and ready.
Spartan Vale online.
Weapons free. Contact.
Vale, keep an ear on comms.
Affirmative.
Buck, Tanaka, pull security.
On it.
Alright.
Halsey and Ndama are holed up inside a forerunner structure ahead. She said there was something big happening, and gave Captain Lasky coordinates to find her.
It must be something big.
One hell of a trap.
Contact.
Taking fire from the leg.
Face us, the enemy's getting close!
Forerunner soldiers! Up the cliffs! Get after them! Prometheus, all sides!
Good push right up the middle. That would be rough. Might want to consider flanking them.
Move smart. Fire with a purpose. I'm grounded!
I am
Need assistance! Systems down!
Up you go, Locke!
I'm up. Thanks. Move up.
Roger! Took location.
Push up.
You got it, Locke!
on it.
You got it!
Jump the crawler.
On my mark.
Consider it
Move
done.
up.
Sounds good.
On my mark.
Solid copy.
Target the soldier.
Get it done, Locke.
Take that soldier down.
Consider it done, Locke.
Move up.
Gotcha.
On it.
Push up.
Right away.
Copy. Took location.
Move. Double time. Target the soldier. Take that soldier down. Take that position.
Copy. Sounds good.
Move, double time. The door is sealed tight.
Forerunner security station. Must be in lockdown.
Any way to lift it?
The Artemis can analyze Forerunner systems. Might be a way to override this door.
This Artemis thing one of your old Oni toys?
Similar. I convinced Commander Palmer to outfit us with prototypes. Systems analyzed. Looks like there's an override switch near the top of the room. Let's see. This should do it. Move up.
Copy!
Made it.
Door's open.
The Artemis did the trick. Locke, listen to this. They're assaulting the back of the temple. Bring in the Kraken.
Kraken sighted!
Hold position. Buy more time. Jules getting desperate. How'd you learn to speak Sangheili, Vale? When I was a kid, I was stuck on a diplomatic shuttle adrift in deep space for 6 months. My options were be real bored or spend the time getting smart.
Our destination is on the other side of this battlefield. Watch out for the Kraken. The Covenant are trying to use it to break the Promethean line.
I'd rather not get stuck between them.
Got it!
Lead kill confirmed.
Jammed up!
It's okay, Locke.
Thanks, Spartan. Mario, need help!
Take it down.
I'm up. Thanks. Back in it, Buck. Stand by, Spartan.
Okay, I'm back. Thanks. Targeting.
Keep moving toward Halsey's position.
Got the father's attention. Up and at 'em, Locke.
Thanks, Spartan. I'm down! Need an assist! Need assistance! Need help!
Up and at him, Locke.
I'm up. Thanks.
Damage that soldier. Must have dealt a blow to Imdama's authority when the Prometheans turned on him. Gained a lot of followers, styling himself as a forerunner prophet.
Jul Imdama is an opportunist, not a leader. It was only a matter of time until his version of the Covenant started to break.
Weller could stand to break a little faster if you ask me.
We're close to Halsey's position. Nice!
The new kind, too. Like they reported on Oban.
Concentrate fire on the broken armor.
Looking forward to scrapping you,
Not
Knight.
ahead. Shield good?
Don't let them through to Halsey. We need her alive. Push up. On my mark.
On it.
On the copy.
Hey! Careful, Locke! The glowing area is vulnerable. Shoot there.
Move up. Armor failure! My armor's jammed up!
It's okay, Locke.
Thanks, Spartan.
Almost clear.
Keep up the pressure, Osiris.
Knight's moving in.
All right. Danger is clear.
We move on Halsey and Jul.
What is the problem?
There are several. Would you like to discuss the finer points of casual reconciliation?
More human with sarcasm.
So you have learned something from me,
You
Julian.
claim to be able to access...
And I can. However, I did not claim to be able to access it instantaneously.
No time to dither. You will also accord me respect befitting of the Dynac's hand.
Seems your fingers are an open rebellion, Han.
Enough!
Yeah, good looking.
Do your work.
Eyes on target. This location does not serve my needs. When she makes another transmission, I must
I
triangulate.
tire of this, Doctor! You have been chasing shadows for weeks to no avail!
Dr. Halsey, Captain Lasky would like a word with you.
It took you long enough.
Fire Team Osiris, you are cleared to land in Docking Bay 11.